Yeah, okay. So good morning to all. So last session we have completed this turtle race game till the validation of racers. So we got the user input, how much racer you want to use, then we are validating whether it is a number and it is in range. So now we are going to create two more method. So first method is Init Turtle we already created. We have to create one more function. We can say function or method. Okay, both are same. So now I'm going to create one more method. You just listen, don't do. Okay, I already gave the link to the code. You can copy and you can play with that. Okay, now just listen. Important understanding the syntax and the line. It is very important. Okay, so def the keyword used to define the function. So def then create turtle, create turtles. Okay, so create turtle, I'm getting the input parameter as a colors, how much colors you want. Okay, so based on the user I'm creating the color. So how much color I want, I can define. Then yeah, after getting the color, I'm defining one array. Okay, turtle equal to turtle. So this will store five. If I give 5 turtle, it will return 5 turtles. If I give 10, it will return 10 turtle. So this array is used to store then how many number of turtles you want. That is open and close bracket. Then as I said, spacing used to define the space between one turtle to another. This is a mathematical formula. That formula is width. Okay, if you are defining color, it will get 5 color. If your user give 10, it will get 10 color. So it based on the how much user input, the space will vary. Okay, if your less number of turtles are there, more space. If the more number of turtles are there, less space. Okay, I will explain in the program. So length of colors, length of colors plus 1. Okay, so if your length is giving 10, then 10 plus 1 11, and width is how much? WIT TH is a spelling, you will correct it. WIDTH. Okay, spelling mistake. So width is how much? 700 divided by 11. So what all the numbers will come, it will store here. The spacing X. Okay, this is used to space. Now the actual code will start. So for loop for I comma color. Let me increase the font. Is it visible? Is it clear? Let me increase the font. Control. Okay, yeah, I have increased. So now for in color, okay, yeah. So here we have to use enumerate. So enumerate is like a for loop only. So inside the for loop, you want to fetch one single value from the list of values, you can use enumerate. So colors can, if you define 10 means it will have 10 values, but in for each and every time I want only one value. So for that I can get color in enumerate of colors. Okay, the colors we are getting from the user. Okay, in the for loop I'll put colon, then here I just want to I don't want to continue further. For your understanding, I want to print I plus I is like a integer. So you want to convert that integer into string. How I can convert? Nihal, can you tell? I is the integer, but I want to print, it will accept the string because the concatenation we cannot do with integer. What I have to do here? Nihal and Hazi, can you tell how I can convert into string? What method I have to use? Inbuilt method. I am audible?
For data type?
Yeah. I want to convert integer data type, number data type to string data type. So what method I have to use? Data type conversion. Can I use str?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yeah. So a string str method will convert the string to this data type. So now I'll put comma so that we can understand. Okay, then I want to print the color. So the color is a string, then directly I can put, I don't have to convert it. So let's run this code. So I have created the turtles. So now I have to call this create turtles, where I have to call in the main method. Okay, I am printing number of racers is okay. I will remove this. This is not required now. Number of racers. I have to first init the screen. So init turtle method I am calling. So this method, what it will do, it will call this init turtle method. It will set up the screen, the width and height. Okay, so here also spelling mistake. Yeah, so it will set the width and height. Then after setting this width and height, then I am calling the colors. I want to shuffle it because we have created the color red, green, blue, yellow. So every time you are running the program, the same color will come. Red only, always red will come first. So I don't want every time I run the program, it has to shuffle. So there is a method, inbuilt method in the Python called random, right? Inbuilt library random. Inside that we have method called shuffle. Okay, so in the shuffle, if you pass the list, it will shuffle every time. It will shuffle. So colors, we have this colors, right? Capital letter, constants always in caps, so we can call this. Okay, so this will shuffle the color. So if sometime red will come first and next time red will go middle and third time red will go last, like that it will shuffle the color each run. After shuffling, I am storing that colors in one variable. So colors, and I don't want all 10 colors. So how much user gave? Though in the racer, based on the, if the user give 5, then it will return number 5. If the user give 10, it will give return 10. So in that colors list, out of 10, I want to fetch only how much user gave, how much user want. So if I give 2, it will fetch only 2 color. Okay, if I give 10, it will fetch 10. So we have to give colon racers. So what it will do here, based on how much user give, that much it will fetch it. Like for example, I'll print and show you so how it works, so that you can understand easily. So colors L. Okay, now I'll run this program. So I don't want to run in terminal. I have created in separate command prompt. I will run from here so that it will be easy to see the output. Yeah, so I'm running this program. It is asking how much color I want. I give 5. So it gave like 5 colors: black, green, yellow, blue, brown. So second time I'm running, I'll give same 5. So you can see here the black is not coming. First time black came first, second time brown came. So it is shuffling. It is not taking all 10 colors, only 5 color, because why? I gave 5. So how it is happening? Because of this line number 39. Okay, so it is like a sub substring, we can say, in the array sublist. So we are getting from the out of 10, how much I want, that much only I'm getting here. So instead of now, I'll give 2. So 2 I'm giving. So only blue and brown came. Got it? Understood? Till now, is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now I'll remove this println. I don't want to this print. Okay. Now what I'll do, I will call the race method. I will create one race method, winner equal to the race method. In this method only actual race will start. In the race method, I will pass colors. So whatever color I got, right, the 5 color, 10 color, I will pass here. So race color, it says that race is not defined. So I will define the race method. After this, what is this? We create turtle race method will call this create turtle method. Define race colors. Define race colors. Okay, this is the one method. So this method, what it will do, it will method will call the create turtle method. Turtle equal to create turtles. Turtle equal to create turtles, then it will pass the colors here. Okay, so it is very simple. I am calling, I am creating, I am storing, because this method will return who is the winner. That's why I'm storing one variable, who is the winner. The race method will call this create turtle method. The create turtle method will just execute this code. Let me run this again. I want 5 thing. See, you can see here, 0 red, 1 green, 2 black, 3 purple, 4 cyan. Where it is getting printed? Printed from this. So this method will execute one by one. So I means index. So it will start from 0. So first 0 time, first time, second time, third time, fourth time, because I gave 5. If I give 10, if I give 10, then it will start, it will run 10 times. Okay, 0 to 9, it will always that loop or array will start from 0. So then the colors, the color we are shuffling and we are getting the color one by one. So what is my first turtle? So that is a brown color. Second turtle, red color. Third turtle, cyan color. So like that it will iterate. So now I'll remove this print also. Then what I will do, so I first I'll call the distance. Okay, so how much distance it has to move, so randomly it has to move, right? So distance random, again I'm calling random library, random dot rand range. Okay, so this rand range method, what it will do, from 0 to 1 to 20. Okay, so if I give 1 to 20, every time it will give you random number. Sometimes 0 will come, sometimes one, so not 0, it will, we are starting from 1 to 20, right? It sometime 1 will come, 5 will come, 10 will come. So based on that, race will decide which turtle has to go how much distance. So this distance is, so we in this program we saw, right, brown. Okay, the brown, how much distance it has to move. So randomly we are generating, so that's why the game we are calling as a game. If you fix that number, all turtle will run together. Okay, that is not a correct one. So like that, we are going to run this randomly. Okay, the randomly I'm getting how much distance it want to move it. So after that, I'm just calling the racer dot forward. This not here, not here. Mm, okay, okay, not distance. Distance method has to come to inside this race method. So here we are going to create only turtles, only we are going to create here. So first we'll define racer equal to turtle dot turtle. Okay, okay, race will start from this method. By mistake I put it here. Okay, so this method, create turtle method, only used to create the turtle. Okay, just listen carefully. So we are going to create one turtle, then we are giving color to the turtle. Racer dot color. So what is the color? So here we are giving, right, brown, red, cyan, like that. So one by one we are giving here. So my first turtle, what color has to come, I will give here. So racer dot color, and what color you want to give. Next thing is, sorry, equal to, okay. Next thing is racer dot shape. So what is the shape of my color turtle? So I can give any shape. So I'm giving, like, you can give circle, square, arrow, but I'm giving turtle shape so that turtle can. Okay. So after that, left. So you have to change to left and 90-degree. So left of 90-degree, because after running program, turtle will start from one point, it will run turn 90-degree, so that it will fit in correct position. It will stand straight. Okay. So turtle dot left. Then this is very important. Turtle dot pen up. What is pen up means, we are moving the turtle. Okay, we are moving the turtle. While moving turtle one place to another place, then we should not draw the line. So pen up means take your pen up. Pen up method, what it will do, while moving turtle one place to another turtle, we should not draw the line. Okay, so for that we are putting pen up. So pen up. Then this is the main thing, racer dot set position. Okay, the set position will set x-axis, y-axis. First time I told you, right? So each places it will draw the this line like this. It will draw, it will divide the screen into coordinates. Here 0 comma 0, then here plus positive number 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5, here -1 -2 -3. This is called x-axis.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this is the y-axis. So here 1, 2, 3. So we are creating the turtle. This is 1, 2, 3. So we are creating the turtle, but where we want to place the turtle? So we want to place it here. So all turtle want to start their game from here. Turtle one, turtle two, turtle three, turtle four, turtle five. So that's why we have to set the coordinator. What is the coordinate? What is the position of this turtle? What is the position of this turtle? So like that, we have to set the position. So that's why called set position method will help us. The set position method, what is the formula for this? Width minus width divided by 2, then plus bracket. This is a mathematical formula to set the position I plus 1. Okay, we are dividing the width. So how much width we have given? 700. 700 divided by 2 plus I plus 1. What is the I here? The 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So we are setting this. Then multiplication with spacing x. How much space? After initial setting the position, we want to give how much space. So then comma. So this is the x-axis. So we are setting the width. From the width we are dividing off, then we are plus 1, then into spacing x, comma, then y-axis. What is y-axis? Minus height divided by 2, then plus 20. Okay, so this is a mathematical formula. So to set the coordinates, so where we have to set x-axis, y-axis. Then after setting pen down, so we have to remove the pen, you have to put the pen again. So pen up means I will explain you what happen if I not mention pen up and pen down in the program. While running, I will explain you pen down. Okay, finally turtle dot append. This the turtles, right? So here turtle, we have to append, we have to return all the turtle one by one to our race method. Turtle dot append. Okay, so you have to append this. Here you have to mention turtles. Okay, this array will be turtles. Then here turtles dot append this racer. Okay, after that finally we have to return it. You have to return turtle. That's all. Okay, so let me copy. There are some spacing issues are there, so I'll copy this, I'll paste it. This is okay, so you got it. So let me run now, then I will explain you how it is. Okay, so is it clear? I am creating the how much I am calculating the space. I am creating the turtle and giving the color and giving the shape and changing the direction, and pen up pen down I'll explain you while running the program. Okay, so then I am setting the position, I am appending all the turtle. So next is this trace method. So this race method is calling create turtle method, that will return how many number of turtles are participating in this game. Okay, so this race method only we are going to start while loop. Okay, so now we are going to start while true. Okay, by default it is true, then we'll return it, it will break the loop. True, then we have to pass for, so it is returning the racers, it is returning the turtles, right? So race in turtles, not race, racer, one by one we are getting turtle one by one in from the for loop. After getting the turtle one by one, now we are calculating the distance. What is the distance of each turtle? Okay, random dot rand range of 1 comma 20. Okay, so this will calculate the distance of the turtle, so how much distance it has to travel. Then racer dot forward, this is our normal turtle game. So before we use, right, forward, a turn and a circle. So turtle dot circle, turtle dot forward, right? So same way this is the forward and distance, how much distance turtle has to forward. Okay, so next thing is then x comma, now we have to finish the game. So all turtles are forwarding. So when we have to finish the game, so we have to get the x and y axis position. So how we can get the turtle position? racer.pos. Okay, so this method will give the position. Now I have to check who reached the end, who reached the end at first. So that if condition I am putting, if y is greater than or equal to height. What is the total height here? Total height is 600. Okay, so 600 means plus 300 minus 300, x-axis, y-axis. So it will divide into two places. So my height divided by 2, height divided by 2 minus 10. Okay, height divided by 2, how much it will come? 300. Okay, so 300, then minus 10. Minus 10 means each turtle having size of 10 pixels. Okay, that's why I'm minusing. If the height is 300 minus 10 means 290. So if the turtle reach the x-axis as a 290, then I'm returning the value. I'm return colors from the colors. Which turtle won the game? So I have to return the colors of turtle. So here colors of turtles. So turtles minus index of racer. Okay, index of racer. Okay, this method will return you who won the game. So this is one formula. So we are getting from the colors. So we have red, green, blue, all the colors. From that color, who won the game? I'm just calling this total dot index, not minus, dot index. Okay, from the total we have to get what is the position of this total. So 0 to 10, right? With this, what is the position of this? So this is the first turtle or second turtle, third turtle. How we can get? I can get from the index. Okay, I'll print each and everything, you can understand. So now we'll save it. Now we'll run this game. See, this is the game started. So now we are putting 10 turtles, and 10 turtles we are moving here. Okay, so while moving, we have to check who won the game. Okay, now yellow won the game. So we have to print it. Who won the game? Game finished, but immediately it got closed. We cannot able to see who won the game. So for that, what we have to do? We have to put two more things. We have to put print it. Who is the winner? Print the winner is, then who is the winner? You have to put plus comma. You can put comma is blue. Okay, you can put who is the winner of this game. Then we have
Sir,
to put timer. Yeah.
sir, I think I missed a few lines because I don't. It's not. I'm not in the line that you are in. Could
No,
you
no,
share?
no, no.
Could
You,
you
I ask
share?
you, don't do the coding. Only listen. Okay. So you can copy the complete coding here, because when you do something, if you miss single space, then it won't work. Okay. So once your class is completed, you can copy this link. I gave the link. You Control A, Control C, and you come here and you paste it here. Then it will work. Okay. Don't do now because it is little complicated program. So even though if you miss single space, it won't work. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so just listen here. I will explain now how it is working. Okay, I'll summarize. So let me run it again. I want 10 turtles. So 10 turtles are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 turtles are moving, but I want to print something. I will print in console so that you can understand. Okay, so now turtles are moving. So I think orange one or blue. Yeah, so the winner is orange. So it is standing. You can see the screen is standing for 5 seconds. So the screen is not getting disappeared. So it will stay there for 5 seconds. That is called time dot sleep. So otherwise now we cannot able to see who is the winner. So that's why time dot sleep means if I remove time dot sleep, then if I run the program again, so it will get disappeared immediately. I'll give only two turtle. Okay, so if you key here, so immediately it is getting disappeared, so I don't know who is the winner. So that's why I have to queue here. So now I will explain the code again. So what we have done, so first we have imported three libraries. So one is turtle, random, time. So turtle library is used to create the turtle, random is used to create the random distance, type is there to show the screen for 5 seconds after end of the game. So next thing is I have created the two constants, height, width and height. So width is the first one 700, height is 600. Then I have created the constant with the colors of 10 colors. Now our main code will come from start from here. Okay, these are all functions, so we are using the function, but first is here the code will start, the flow will start. First we are asking the user how many number of racers going to participate. So that's why we have created get number of racers. So initially 0, then we are asking how many number you want to participate from 0 to 10. If we are giving number, we are accepting. If you are not giving number, we are just returning it is not number. Continue means again while loop will continue from first. Okay, next is we are checking whether it is in range 0 to 10. If it is in range, then we are okay accepting, otherwise we are telling no, it is not in range. Okay, so this is method only to accept the valid number of racers. The second method is Init Turtle. So Init Turtle means you can rename as a init screen. That is fine. Okay. So here we are initializing the screen. So what is the name of the screen? What is the height and width of the screen? Width and height. So that is the second method. Simple. So next thing is we are shuffling the color, because every time I run, I should not see same color. It will get bored. Okay. So I'm shuffling the color, and out of 10, how much color I want, that much color only I will filter. Because if I giving only two participant, I will get only two colors. Got it? Then this is the main method. So race method. So the race method only actual race will start. So here I am creating the turtle. I'm calling one function. In that function, it is creating the turtles. So first thing is how much between one turtle to another turtle, how much space we have to give. That is called this formula. Okay, this is a mathematical formula. Next thing is I am iterating I and color. I is 0, 1, 2, 3, and colors. We will select the 10 colors, right? I am giving one by one color. Here we are creating the turtle, and we are giving the color to the turtle. We are shaping the turtle and left. Let me show you what happen if I remove this line. Okay, if I stop left. Okay, let me run again. If I comment that left, you have to understand why we are giving left, right? See, if you are not putting left, it is like a horizontal. It is look good. So like that, this direction they are moving. I want to change the direction. So that's why I am giving, this is not a race, horizontal moving. I want to make them to vertically they have to move. That's why I am putting the direction as the 90-degree. You understood? Next thing is what happen if I remove the pen up and pen down? What is the use of pen up and pen down? So whenever you got something new line of code, you don't know understanding why it is there, just remove the code and check it how it is working, then add the code. When you compare both places, then you can understand what is the use of that line is code. Okay, so now I'll run the program again. Okay, I'll give 10. See, the line is coming, line is getting drawn. It doesn't look like, right? So I don't want to show this line when the turtle is moving. So this is the starting point 0 comma 0. So here minus these things. So I don't want to show this line, so that's why we are taking pen up. Pen up means don't draw the line. Okay, pen down means start drawing the line. Okay, so that's why we are adding pen up and pen down. So I am just removing pen up, but I'm not putting my pen down. So let's see what happened. So line won't get visible all the time. When I run again, I'm not putting pen down. I'm just putting pen up. So you cannot see the line at all. Okay, because I took my pen. Okay, I'm not drawing again. So here you cannot see the line. Got it? So pen up means while moving, draw the line. Okay, stop drawing the line. Pen down means draw the line. Like you're not touching your pen in the screen. That's why pen up. You understood what is the use of pen up and pen down? Nihal, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now we have to position means x-axis, y-axis. This is clear. We are appending. So now we are starting the turtle distance. Okay. So how much distance you want? So for that I will print it. Print, uh, print color, print. Okay. So print. I want to print this. This is the color. So color means out of 10 color, I'm checking this turtle. From this turtle, what is the position? This turtle is first place, second place, third place. What is this color? I want to print this. Next thing is I want to give comma. Then what is the distance? So this position, like brown color or black color, how much distance it is traveling. Okay, that's why you print here. I'll print. So let me run again. Let's so you see the console. Watch here. Okay, just look here. See, so here it will give the position. Brown color, how much distance it is moving. Black color, it is moving. So first is the color and second is the distance. So randomly 1 to 20 it will give the color. Let it complete, then I'll show you. Yeah, see here. So this much time our for loop got executed so many times, almost more than 100 times the for loop got executed. So first thing is orange color moved 12 pixels, 12 distance. You can say millimeter or centimeter, some unit is there, pixels. So yellow moved 10 pixel, black moved 5 pixel, again orange moved 19 pixel. Okay, this is a 10 color, one set. First step, this much move randomly they moved. Second step, randomly they moved. Okay, so got it. So this is the second step. So randomly these numbers are coming, based on that they are moving. Is it clear, this print?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this is position. We are getting y-axis. What is the position of this the turtle? So then we are returning who is the winner. So I hope you understood the program. So this is the end of this basic Python course, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So then we can wind up. So any doubt in this program also you can ask me. You have any lines of code? The 60 lines of code we have done this. So you go through. You have any doubt, you can ask anytime. Okay. Okay. So thanks for your time and attending this basic Python course. So let's see. Okay, I'm planning to start the advanced Python course with the machine learning and data science. So how we can do play with the data by using Python, how the Python is using in machine learning automation. Then I will release the videos on those topic as soon as possible. Okay. So thank you. Bye. Anything else? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.